This is the SAT question of the day for August 29, 2015. I'm going to show you how to solve it. The odometer of a new automobile functions improperly and registers only 2 miles for every 3 miles driven. If the odometer indicates 48 miles, how many miles has the automobile actually been driven? This one is actually fairly simple to solve as a ratio. So the odometer registers 2 miles for every 3 miles that you drive. And if the odometer reads 48 miles, we want to know how many miles you actually drive. Now for me, the easiest way to solve it from here is to say, okay, 2 times what equals 48? 24. So 2 times 24 gave you 48. 3 times 24 gives you 72. And we're done. So if I lost you on that last part, here's another way you can look at the problem. The odometer functions improperly. It's registering only 2 miles for every 3 miles you drive. So you're actually driving more than the odometer says. And if it's reading out 48 miles, you actually drove more than 48 miles. So you can automatically cross off these two. Also, for every 3 miles that you drive, the odometer shows 2 miles. So if you drive 6 miles, it's going to show 4. If you drive 9 miles, it's going to show 6. So if you'll notice, the actual amount of miles driven is more than what's shown on the odometer. And we talked about that when we crossed off D and E here. But it's not that much more. I mean, it's not double. This isn't 2, 4, 6 and 4, 8, 12 over here. So these actual miles driven are not quite double what shows on the odometer. So if you have 48 showing on the odometer, double 48 would be 96. So your actual miles driven should be less than 96, because your actual miles driven are less than double what's showing on the odometer. I hope that makes sense. So 144 is definitely out, because it's way more than 96. And we know our number should be less than 96. So if you get to this point and you have no idea what to do, just pick one. I know you're not supposed to guess, but if you can narrow it down at all, if you can cross off at least one answer that you know is wrong, then go ahead and guess. I hope this video was helpful, and if you still have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments.